Hi everyone! Today I'm going to take you through how to schedule a meeting using Zoom. The first thing you'll want to do is click the Zoom app on your desktop. Once it's open, you should see a screen that looks like this. This is your homepage dashboard. On the dashboard there are 4 buttons. The first button, New Meeting, allows you to start a new meeting instantaneously. The Join button allows you to join a meeting already in progress. The Share Screen button allows you to share your screen seamlessly with participants in a meeting. And then the Schedule button allows you to schedule a meeting in the future. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Schedule button. Once it's open, you'll see a screen that looks like this. The first thing you'll want to do is give your meeting a title. Once it has a title, you're able to pick the day and the time that your meeting will start. I'm going to go ahead and pick Monday, October 21st for my meeting at 5 p.m. You can then pick the duration in hours as well as minutes and then the corresponding time zone, and then you're able to mark if it's going to be a recurring meeting or not. Then moving down to where it says video, this is where you can allow video to start playing instantaneously once your meeting starts. I generally like to leave this off and give participants control over their video camera. And then looking at audio, this is where you can indicate if you'd like participants to call in using their telephone, computer audio, or either. And again, I typically like to give participants control over how they'll want to dial into the call. Zoom also allows many advanced options for when scheduling a meeting. My favorite is Enable Join Before Host. So if you're somebody who's at work, who's typically really busy, back-to-back meetings, late for calls, might not be able to make a call, this option allows participants to join the meeting before the host. And then what's really great about it is if you're not able to make the meeting, then one of the participants is able to then take over the call as the host. There's other options as well, such as require meeting password, mute participants on entry, use personal meeting ID, or record the meeting automatically when the meeting starts. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Enable Join Before Host, and then I'm going to move down to my calendar options. There's Outlook and Google, and then other calendar options if you're using another program. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the Google Calendar since I'm at home on my desktop. It'll take you to your Google login screen, which I'll go ahead and just log in with my email right now. Once I'm logged in, you'll see the actual calendar invite itself. Here, you're able to change the title of the meeting again if you forgot and you wanted to add something. So I'm just going to add Training Regroup. You can actually change the day and time again if you'd like. And then here is the location of the meeting. So Zoom puts the URL of the meeting in the location of the meeting, so it's very easy to access the meeting from your actual calendar. If some of you at work have conference rooms that you'll be hosting the meeting in, such as at my workplace, we name all of our conference room after artists, and one of the really popular rooms is the Maya Lin conference room. So I'm actually able to add that in the location. I can still keep the Zoom URL there. And then in the body of the meeting invite, I can write a note to everyone, give them a heads up. The meeting is going to take place in the Maya Lin room, and please click the below link to access the meeting. So once you have the body of the email in, you're able to add guests to the meeting and then click Save to send the meeting. And there we go. It's on my calendar. So as you can see again, you're able to access the URL very easily and able to join your meeting when it's time. So then going back to the homepage dashboard, this is again where you'll be able to keep track of your meetings and use any of the other functions that I spoke about at the beginning of the video. Thank you again for today for listening to my demonstration on how to schedule a meeting using Zoom, and I hope you found it helpful. Have a great day.